Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10-line essay on my home. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, I have a sweet home. Second line is, it is small but very cozy. Line is, it has a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. Fourth line is, in the living room, we have a sofa where we sit and watch TV together. Fifth line is, the kitchen is where my mom cooks yummy food. Sixth line is, the bedroom is where I sleep. Seventh line is, I have a soft bed and my favorite toys next to me. Eighth line is, outside there is a little garden with flowers. Ninth line is, my home makes me feel safe and loved. Last line, that is line number 10 is, it is my favorite place in the world.